Hello and welcome to MBP. To those who are not afraid of truth, but instead seek it, viewers' discretion is advised. Today we are here to show you how to use our MBP SUPER 8-pack. This way your videos will no longer be seen as amateur, but instead will be recognized as a piece of art, as something you can do and get paid for. For this to happen, you need to take this product and use it in the most incredible and creative ways you can possibly imagine, without the need of any advanced technical knowledge. If you are able to pull this off, not only will your true journey start as a creator, but infinite possibilities will unlock by the leverage that this will provide you. Let's get started. Upload your MBP pack folder to Premiere Pro. In it, you will have 5 folders, each with its special uses. In the Overlays folder, you have different overlays that emulate the Super 8 film effect. Each overlay is numbered and has 2 counterparts. In example, you will have 2 overlays number 4. On each of them, it will specify which opacity mode you should use when applying them on the timeline. First, we have the Overlay 4, Multiply. This serves as a frame to put over your clip. Drag it and drop it on top of your video. Click on the overlay and go to the Effects Control panel. Then go to the Opacity option and choose Multiply. You can also select Darken, but we prefer Multiply. This way, all the black edges that simulate the Super 8 film aspect ratio are applied, as we see here. Then we have the Overlay 4, Screen. This is what makes all the colors and effects of the Super 8 film look appear on your video. Drag and drop it on top of the other 2 clips. Make sure that the start of the Overlay 4 Multiply and the start of the Overlay 4 Screen are aligned, so the effects are in coordination. This time, in the Effects Control panel, choose Screen. You can also choose Lighten, Linear Dodge Add, or Lighter Color, but we'll choose Screen. And as you see, the whole Super 8 look is achieved. Now, keep in mind, when going through the Overlays folder, you may see more than one Screen option for the same overlay, or more than one Multiply option. Like on the overlay number 9. This is because we give you different versions of the same overlay so you can choose the one you like and play around with different effects. But the process is still the same. There's still many things you can do to perfect the final product and add different effects. Let's walk you through the other folders. In the Grain folder, we have multiple Super 8 film grains to apply to your clips. Choose one of your liking and drop it on top of your clip. Once again, play around with the opacity modes. One good option is Overlay. We also like to duplicate the grain clip, push Alt, left-click, and drag on top, and on the bottom layer apply Soft Light, and on the top layer apply Screen. Then play around with the opacity percentage. Here's how it looks. On the Frames folder, you have different black frames to put over your videos. Apply and choose Darken or Multiply. On the Transitions folder, you will see a whole variety of great options for you to choose from and add amazing transitions to your sequence, like film burns and light leaks. Once again, you can play with the opacity modes or just leave them like they are. And as if this wasn't just enough, you also have a Sounds folder with meticulously designed Super 8 film sounds to accompany your mesmerizing visuals. Now, you need to get all of this and combine it in ways that no one else have seen before. Play with all the different overlays and effects in unimaginable ways. Create unique content and movies that only you will be able to make, because only you are you. If you do this, all success will be at your reach. Enjoy and see you soon, my dear friend. And never forget, seek truth, create beauty, and expand love. MBP, Human Endeavor.